Good morning, students. Today we will do the chapter 8 of your GK, that is risk and thrills. Okay, so the name of the chapter is risk and thrills. So in this we have given high level of thrill and risk. So we have to identify the name of the risk. Okay, so the statements are given. See the first statement. In this sport, participants jump from an airplane and survive the free fall before using a parachute for landing. Okay, so this is the picture. And in this sport, participants jump from an airplane and survive the free fall before using a parachute for landing. So this is called wingsuit jumping. Wingsuit jumping. So the second, write the answer of this statement in the given column. Okay. Second we have given the sport involves walking along a 1-inch thick rope stretched across two tall structures like cliff, skyscrapers or mountains. Okay, sport involves walking along a 1-inch thick rope. मतलब 1 इंच की रोप होती है पतली सी, ठीक है, उस पर मतलब चलना जो है पार्टिसिपेंट है वो चलता है. सो टू टॉल स्ट्रक्चर लाइक क्लिफ, स्काई क्रैपर और माउंटेन. सो उसके क्लिफ वगैरह मतलब बांधा जाता है ताकि इन केस अगर पैर फिसल भी जाए, गिर भी जाए तो वो मतलब नीचे ना गिरे. बट दैट इज़ वेरी रिस्की वर्क, यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ रिस्क और थ्रिल वी कैन से कॉल free climbing. Okay, free climbing. So the next is third statement. The sport involves jumping out of a plane or of a tall mountain to fly in the air before landing. Jumpers wear special clothing designed to give wings to them, also controlling their speed and direction. Okay, so in this sport involve jumping out of plane से वो jump करते हैं, और of a tall mountain to fly in the air, और लैंडिंग मतलब नीचे आने से पहले काफ़ी देर तक एयर में वो क्या है, फ्लाई, उड़ते रहते हैं. जंपर्स वियर, जो मतलब कूदने वाले हैं, जंप करने वाले हैं, स्पेशल क्लोथ, स्पेशल टाइप के क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं, डिज़ाइन टू गिव विंग्स टू देम. Okay, also controlling their speed and direction. So they wear the special type of clothes कि हवा में जब वो उड़ रहे होते हैं तो वो जो उनके क्लोथ्स है वो उनके उड़ने में हेल्प करते हैं, एंड उनको सही डायरेक्शन और स्पीड में को भी कंट्रोल में रखते हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ स्पोर्ट इज कॉल्ड स्काई डाइविंग. ओके, SKYDIVING, स्काई डाइविंग. You can see in the picture. Okay, so the next fourth statement. In this danger sports, people scale tall rocky cliff with no safety equipment, where one wrong move could mean instant death. इसमें क्या होता है कि जो चढ़ने वाला है पार्टिसिपेंट है, पर्सन, उसमें मतलब एक रॉकी क्लिप ही लगाई होती है उसने, और कोई सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट नहीं होता है. इट मीन्स कि अगर थोड़ा सा भी मतलब स्लिप हो जाए तो उसमें इंस्टेंट डेथ होने का डर रहता है. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड हाई लाइनिंग. ओके, हाई लाइनिंग. The next is, in this sport, participants navigate down violent and steep, rapid in a kayak. They risk crashing against jagged rocks or being sucked under the current. Okay, So in this, participant navigate down violent. You can see in the picture. Okay. So this type of sport is called creaking. Okay. This type of sport is called creaking. So students, we have discussed the first about wing chute jumping. In this wing chute jumping sport, participant jump from an aeroplane and survive the free fall before using a parachute for landing. It means this is wing chute jumping. Okay. Second that we have discussed is, in this sport involve walking along 1 inch thick rope stretched across two tall structure like so it is about free climbing. Then the third is about skydiving. So in this, the sport person jumping out of a plane or of a tall mountain to fly in the air before landing. Jumper wears special type of cloth designed to give wing and that also help to controlling the speed and direction in the air. Okay, so this is called skydiving. Then the third that we have discussed, so in this danger sport, people scale tall rocky cliff with no safety equipment where one wrong move could mean instant death. So this is about high lining. Okay, so in this person have no we can say safety. Then the third, then the fifth, that is about creaking. So in creaking, participants navigate down violent and steep rapid in a cake. They risk crashing against jagged rock or being sucked under the current. So you can see in the picture. Okay. सो ये रोक से जैसे पानी गिर रहा है उसमें से जंप करेंगे और उस पे से जाने की कोशिश करते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी हाई रिस्की work. Okay, so students, we have discussed about some risk and thrills, okay, from the chapter number 8. So watch the video and also read from your book. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.